Little Lambs, look, there's some dogs out there. Would you like your own dog one day?
Mommy, no, getting a cat.
You're getting a cat?
Yeah.
When are you gonna get a cat?
They're babies first, so we have to wait until they get older.
What do you prefer, a cat or a dog?
A cat.
You prefer a cat? A cat can't play with you.
A cat.
If I said to you right now, I'll get you a dog that can go and fetch and that can get you stuff and that can follow you around and you can walk on a lead, but a cat, you can't even walk on a lead.
No, because other dogs go crazy.
You can't walk a cat on a lead. You're on a lead.
Other dogs go crazy. That's why I choose a cat.
Oh yeah.
Cats don't like water.
Do they not? No, do you? You don't even wash yourself. You don't even wash yourself. You're dirty.
Because I don't like it.
Oh, you're admitting you don't even wash yourself.
I don't like when Mommy washed my hair.
Why not?
Because it might get in my eyes and it will sting.
Oh, okay. Alright, son, look. Daddy needs you to make sure you tidy up everything, yeah? So when I come back, I want this room to be clean, okay? Listen to me. So like all of that stuff down there, make sure things are on the side, make sure my laptop is on the chair, tidy up your books. And can you do me a favor? Can you get changed as well? So I want you to take off all your pajamas. So when I come back, I want to see you in your fresh clothes, yeah? And then once you put your new clothes on, then I want all of the dirty stuff to go in that bag, yeah? Cool? Touch. Wicked. What's happening, people? It's your boy Lams. So basically, we decided to get him a dog, just to give him like a little extra something to love. So I don't know how he's gonna react to it. I don't know if he's gonna lose his mind or he's just gonna be casual. So yeah, I want you guys to comment now and just say, is Little Lambs gonna lose his mind or is he just gonna keep it casual? Is he gonna pretend that nothing's happening? Because he's like an all or nothing kid. So basically his mum just gone and got the dog. Is my face bare shiny? I feel like I put like a lot of cream on my face.
This is what it should look like every dog.
Man like Ralph, you know. Oh, he's waking up, he's waking up. He's waking up. Ralph, hey boy. What's the matter? You okay? Why are you crying? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? I'm gonna go find your new best friend, okay? His name's called Lil Lams, yeah? And he's gonna love you forever, I swear down. He's got so much love to give. Yeah? Should I go get him? Should I get him? Should I get Little Lambs? Yeah? I get Little Lambs, yeah? Take it! No, take the thing I've given, I put out for you. Goodness me. Some spiders what?
Some spiders can breathe underwater.
That truly?
I don't know.
I have to do my Googles, you know.
I've put some water on a spider before and it hasn't died.
Like 8-legged scuba divers, some spiders can breathe underwater using an air bubble as an oxygen tank of sorts. Now scientists have figured out some of the fascinating details of this arachnid diving bell, including that it can give the spiders more than a day's worth of air in the water.
Dad, did you know that?
Alright, can I tell you something? You see your surprise, yeah? You've got to stay at Daddy's house, yeah? But it's your surprise though, and we share it, yeah? You excited? What do you think it's gonna be? Have a guess.
In the bag, I pulled it out. And it was like in a bag and it said 10 plus.
What is it?
I don't know, I don't remember what it is, but I just see it was plus 10.
Can I tell you something? You know your surprise is in the Daddy's bedroom right now. You say you're ready? When you're not ready. Ready, son? Careful. Wait. Go on, son. What is that? What is that, son? Huh? Do you know what his name is?
He's a dog.
Do you know what his name is? Huh? You don't want to know?
I don't know.
His name's Ralph. Man like Ralph, you know. You shook? You okay, boy? Yeah? What's wrong? What are you crying for? What are you crying for? What's wrong? Ralph! Go on, boy. Go on, Ralph. Johnson, hold it as well. Son, can I tell you something? Son, come here. Come here. Can I tell you something? You know Daddy said that like we get to share it, yeah? And it stays with Daddy. Can I tell you a secret? You know you get to take Ralph home. No, seriously. Ralph is yours forever. Mummy brought Ralph today and you get to take him home forever. And you get to play with him.
He likes to follow my hand sometimes.
Look, he's looking in the mirror.
He's trying to eat the wire. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness.
Ralph!
Oh my goodness.
Come here, boy.
He was trying to follow me.
What was he trying to do?
He was trying to
Look at
follow me.
Ralphie. Hey, what are you licking?
He's trying to lick me.
What are you licking? Ralph? What's wrong? What's the matter? What are you saying?
And we've got Ralph now. That's why Mummy put up.
It's like.
Oi, don't chew my floor, boy.
And you know Mummy put
Don't you chew my floor. Don't you chew my floor, boy. Yeah? We'll beef. Yeah, you know you're in trouble. I'll tell you off.
it's tricky on you.
It's only a baby.
How old is he?
8 weeks.
Oh my goodness.
We're
You're
trying.
trying to jump a hero.
He's trying to get it.
What are you saying, me? What do you think about the dog?
Love it.
Mad, isn't it? I think, do you know what's crazy? I think Liam's probably more excited than anybody else, but he's containing his excitement.
He's trying to get up.
Ralph, do you want to come up?
He doesn't know how to go down the stairs yet.
Go on your side. What have we got here? What have we got here? Little Ralphie, you better not. You better not try and bite me. Yeah, we'll fight, rude boy. Yeah, innit? We'll fight. You just stay there and cool yourself off now. Just chill out. You get me?
He's looking at me.
You know?
He's looking at me.
You coming to Little Lambs? Don't jump. Don't sit down. Because the more you run, the more. Come, daddy then. Come here. Come sit here. Ralph. Hey. No, you can't go under that way. Silly boy. No. Help me, Jasmine.
He's trying to get up. You have to do the teeth.
Yeah, they're sharp. Yeah, listen. If he wants to bite me, if he put his mat down, really. What have we got here, Ralph? Wait, man. You're so eager.
No.
Wait, pick me.
Oh my goodness.
What's this? Ralph, no.
He's trying to.
No, he doesn't hurt. No, let go. Ah, stop it.
Mummy. He's small as well, you can pick him up.
But nah, not him yet, because the way you're meant to pick them up.
Oh, we need to teach him the way. Yeah.
You saying, rude boy? What you saying, rude boy?
He's trying to mess with you.
He's trying to bite me. Ah, you look. That hurt, man. Move.
He's trying to
Nah, don't do that. That won't hurt me. That won't hurt me, Ralph. Ralph, you're gonna bite me? You're gonna bite me already? Huh? You better not. I'll rough you up, you know. He's never gonna hurt you. That's your friend. Serious.
You scared of him? Don't be silly.
He don't hurt. Ralph.
He's a baby.
Hey, he's a G, you know. Ralph, you gonna do your thing? You gonna do your pee-pee thing now, yeah? Go to the toilet, big man. I'm just itching himself on the phone, man. He really wants to get back on that bed, innit?
You can pet him. Mommy, you can pet him. Gently.
So what are you saying, son? You like your surprise, yeah? You happy? You gonna love him forever? What's his name? It's Ralph. It's Ralph. Innit? You're gonna look after it, yeah? Like he's your brother. Good boy. Thank you guys for tuning in to another episode of Lambs and Little Lambs. And wait. I've been Lambs, you've been.
Lil Lams.
I've been Lambs, you've been.
Lil Lams.
I've been Lambs, you've been. I've been Lambs, you've been. Alright, don't forget to like, share and...
Subscribe.
Oh, where's your energy on that one?
I don't know.
Don't forget to like, share and...
Subscribe.
You still say subscribe. How many likes do you want for this video, son?
200.
200, yeah? Alright, you guys make it happen or I'm going to send Little Lambs and Ralph down for you.